How to use Samsung Writing Assist to improve your messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now first, make sure you turn on Writing Assist by going into Settings. Then we scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then tap on Writing Assist. Tap on the toggle button to make sure it is turned on. Then we go back to the messaging app. Here I will use WhatsApp Messenger. Write some text in the text box and then tap on the AI icon on the far left. In here you have a different number of options. If you need to check your spelling and grammar, you can tap on that. And then if you want to change your writing style, you can tap on Writing Style. And in here, Writing Assist will offer you 5 different styles. We've got professional, casual, social, polite, and emojified. So select your the modifications, change of the text, and then tap on Replace. Another thing that you can do is if you have a lot of text, you can ask Writing Assist to summarize the large text into a smaller paragraph. You can also choose bullet point or table format so that it will summarize text in a table format. To use bullet point or table, your text needs to be long enough. If it's too small, then it won't be able to use the table format. And that's it. So that's how you can use Writing Assist with your text messages. Other features are the text or the chat translations. So you can have it automatically translate to a different language up here. So you can translate from English to Korean, and as you type, it will translate the text. Before you can use it, you need to download the language pack. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.